Matrix community members, this is Eric Choy, the Chief Marketing Technology Officer. I believe this is the first time that you see me on screen, and I believe you will see me more for the coming days. We've been doing AMA, so-called Ask Me Anything, in video format, but due to the pandemic crisis, we changed to text format. And this time we are going back to the video format. Today we are going to answer 6 questions coming from community, and we are going to invite Mr. Owen Tao to join this discussion. So let's give Mr. Owen Tao a big applause.
Hello. Hi, Eric. Hi, Matrix.
Hi, Owen. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Good. All right. So back to the business. Today we have 6 questions. We'll start from easy one. So question 1, is Professor Deng still with us?
Yes, of course. Steve is our chief AI scientist, and right now he is leading our AI team to developing some projects such as the AI services platform and the auto machine learning platform, and also the algorithm of our AI scientist. I think recently he will share some of his recent work to community. So please keep your eyes to Matrix.
Okay, that's good. So it's clear Professor Deng is still with us and still taking a very active role in leading the AI team for Matrix. Okay, so let's go on to the second question. Again, it's an easy one. Does Matrix have an office?
We don't have office. We have offices. In Beijing,
Okay, good.
we have 2 offices. One is for our AI team, and another one is for our blockchain and applications development team. We also have one office in Hong Kong, where our legal and financial department works there, and also Eric.
Oh, I see. So yeah, we do have offices. Yeah, good. So question 3, NFT is quite hot. And do we have any plan on our NFT platform, Mr. Owen Tao?
Yes, of course. The NFT is one of our most important function and features for Matrix in the coming year. We have some huge plans in NFT industry. In this summer, I think we will release some NFT functions to the world, and also in the future we have some coming step plans in NFT area.
Oh, that's great. So we can expect NFT quite soon. Question 4, we have the Bar wallet. And is it possible to integrate with ledgers?
Yes, I think that's a very great suggestion. We we should discuss with the Ledger team about this cooperation. But till now, I think the most important thing for us is to push pushing Ledger to update our Man app on their platform, because we have already finished the development work for a long time. And at the same time, we also find another use case for the finger vein scanning technologies. Is We want to we can make the artist who they can scan their finger vein to the and upload their finger veins information on the blockchain. That means they can mint the NFT with their art and also their biology informations. That will avoid someone else to steal their art to mint the NFT.
Okay, that's good. Question 5. What's the status of Apocalypse,
Uh,
the mining machine?
yeah, till now, the green mining companies where the community buy the miner from uh, has ceased to operations. I think in the current time they can't make offer too much help right now. So we have to matrix team to make initiative uh, compensate to the affected buyers. And also in the future, we want to discuss and find out some way to make the miners uh, to keep them in a very stable running situations. We want to find out some method, and also maybe if anyone who can of help or have some good suggestions, you can contact us, and we can work together to solve this problem together.
Okay. Okay, I see. So the mining machine companies have stopped their business, and we as Matrix, we took the initiative to compensate for those who bought from green mining company, and that's our goodwill. And we're also considering other options to how to improve the service, but that's not our strength. But we're still taking the lead. Let's see whether there's any suggestions coming from the community how to further improve the situation. So do write to us for any suggestions, please. And then question 6, is it possible to make manual swaps faster?
Till now, we have to reduce the frequency to do the manual swap to avoid the risk for our wallet. I think in the future we can discuss with our tech department to find out is there any way to make that faster.
Okay, I think thanks, Owen. That's for the 6 questions, but still we have some more questions. Do we have time to answer the remaining 4 for us as we have run this make quite smooth? Do you still have some time for 4 more questions, Owen?
Yeah.
Okay, good, excellent, thanks. Okay, question I think it's 7. Uh, a committee member asked, I'm interested to know if the core feature with the validators, the miners and staking will remain the same after the launch of GPU mining and Mental.
We are discussing a new economy system for the for matrix mining system. I think in the future, because we will involve in the GPU mining, and also the miners can output their computing power. So in the future, I think uh, the reward for the miners will be increased, and for the validators, uh, their job is not to output their computing power. So I think in the current economic system, their reward will not increase.
Okay, I see. Thanks. Move on to question 8. So we know the code updating is quite important to gain the confidence from the community members. Do we have any plan to update the GitHub anytime soon, or what's our strategy about updating GitHub?
Yeah, because our main job is to finish the development work of our project. So at these situations, we will not spend too much time on the GitHub updating work. So we won't update it every day. For our team, we usually to update the code to GitHub after we finished one project or we have achieved some milestone. So in the coming 2 or 3 months, we have lots of milestones to achieve. I think in the coming months, the GitHub of Matrix will be updated and very frequently. Yeah.
Okay, I think the community will be very happy with this arrangement. Question 9. In June, we are going to reach stage 1 of Matrix 2.0. Could you update us? What's the progress like? Are we on schedule?
In the next month, at the same time, the second quarter of this year, we will launch our demo for our AI services platform. So at the same time, we will set up the net the network for our auto machine learning network because we have already finished the design work. And also we will update our Explorer and our wallet. And I think maybe some NFT functions will be released earlier than our schedule. So everything is in schedule, everything is under control.
Very good. So one last question. What can we do to improve the communication between the admins or community and the project team?
Matrix values the suggestion from the community. So that's why we have Eric join our team. And at the same time, we will appoint some community managers to help us to manage the relationships with the community and also create some contacts and also to get more audience in touch. And also we have designed a new structured way to manage to build a better way to get in touch with the community. So I think in the future, the communications between the team and the community will be better and better.
Okay, great. Thanks, Owen. So thanks for your time. So to sum up, so Professor Deng is still with us and leading the AI team for Matrix, and we do have offices, and we are going to have the NFT platform, and we are on schedule for the stage 1. And the communication will be better, and we'll keep updating GitHub. And our progress for the stage 1 is on schedule. So that's the takeaway message for the community. Thanks, Owen, and thanks for the community. Thanks. That concludes today's AMA. If you have any questions, do write to us. If you have any suggestions, do write to us to community@matrix.io. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, Eric. Bye, community.